Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Coal City, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Minooka and Channahon around 3:45 p.m. Joliet around 3:50 p.m. Elwood around 3:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Carbon Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago